Hey, it's Dr. Malika Woods here, and I've got a little trivia question for you. Do you know what the number one cause of death is in women? Is it A, breast cancer? Is it B, cardiovascular heart disease? Is it C, diabetes? The answer is heart disease, cardiovascular disease. If you answer that, you are absolutely correct. But do you know that there's hardly any attention given to women and the risk of heart disease? Something else I want to tell you that you may or may not know, but there are studies to show that women who take estrogen, who take hormone replacement, actually reduce their risk of heart attack, stroke by 30 to 50%. That's right. Even women who have had breast cancer personally, who then go on to take hormone replacement therapy when it is safe, their rates of heart disease is less and their rates of recurrent breast cancer is less. I know this may be blowing your mind right now, but those are the facts. Again, I'm Dr. Malika Woods, medical doctor and healthy lifestyle strategist. I just wanted you to know this tidbit about women's health and about hormones. And if you thought hormones are all bad and hormones cause cancer, you have been misinformed. Stay tuned right here where we share with you and encourage you on the idea that your body is divinely designed. And also understand we want to help you learn how to heal from the inside out with natural root cause solutions. Have a great day.